Let's do this ombre Easter Bunny nail design. For this design, I'll be using Lecenté, the Spring Spec-tacular Collection colors. I have applied 2 layers of the color Speckled Egg, cured between each layer for 60 seconds. For the design, I'll be using white detail paint and a dotting tool and a detail brush. The detail paint is well pigmented, so while you're drawing on one finger, you don't need to cure in between as it will stay put and not spread. When you finished your design, make sure to cure it fully for 60 seconds. For the ombre design on the index finger, I have used Speckled Egg color first. Apply from the top to the middle of the nail and cure it for 60 seconds. Afterwards, apply gel polish in color Bunny to the other side of the nail and blend it in with a detail brush. After curing, I have applied another layer of Spectacular Egg blue shade gel polish color and using detail brush smoothed it into another layer. For the final step, use the shade Bunny again and smooth it into the top to complete the look. This step will help to build up the color and make the design stand out even more. All 6 shades from this collection blend very easily and smoothly into each other. And I wanted to finish my design with matte top coat for that true Easter egg look. And here is the completed nail design, ombre, cute little bunnies, using Lecenté's Spring Spec-tacular Collection. And I just want to show you how all 6 shades from this Easter collection look on the matte top coat or finish with the glossy top coat.